Here we're at the Hilton Tulum. We've got an Enclave Ocean View Suite, room 2234. Let's go check it out. To our right, we have a nice second shower, second toilet room. Down here is the mini bar, fully stocked, has plenty of drinks and snacks. Balcony walks out, overlooking a pool and the beach. And we have a little cafe down here. This is balcony number 1. We have a nice seating area. Over here we have a closet that lights up, opens up. Nice little ironing board. Here's the king bed, king suite. TV, we've got another balcony, a second balcony. Same with a couple chairs. Got nice lighting. We have a bathtub in the middle of the bathroom, nice large. We have a his and hers sink here with a large mirror. We've got a little shower here. It's got a nice rain shower head. We've got the toilet room over here. We've got some cubbies, some drawers, another closet to open up that's well lit with some hangers. And as I said, this is room 2234. It's the Enclave Ocean View King Room. It's very nice, very clean, great view of the ocean, the pool. There you have it.